Today on PowerNation Daily, mark your calendar for LS Fest West. It's coming up. Netflix has a new series for gearheads. A guy with a sledgehammer goes after a hit-and-run driver. A GM executive wants premium gas to be the new regular. And Chevrolet is offering discounts to owners of every Asian car brand in America. It all happens right here, right now on PowerNation Daily.
PowerNation Daily is brought to you by Holley Sniper EFI. Experience EFI for just $999.95.
I'm Gannon Pritchard. Welcome to PowerNation Daily, and I'm joined by Blaine with Holley, and we're talking about LS Fest West. Hey man, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me, Gannon.
Are you guys excited about the second annual LS Fest West?
Yeah, absolutely. Pre-registration is open. We're getting registrations coming through for all the different event segments each day, and we're looking forward to joining everybody out west May 4th, 5th, and 6th.
Very cool. What are you expecting this year compared to last year?
Well, just more of the same, really. More participants, more spectators, and we've added a little bit here and there to make the event more fun. We're once again doing our Cinco de Mayo Tire de Frio Burnout Challenge, and we've got autocross, the 3S Challenge, we've got a drift challenge that takes place. A lot of amateur and pro drifters and come out and participate in that. We've got a car show, we've also got an off-road challenge, desert launch, all kinds of stuff taking place out there.
Nice. Well, let's talk about some of the vehicles that are going to be there. We have, you know, a Camaro here, we have a Scout here, but there's more than just cars and trucks. Let's get into a little bit of the nuts and bolts about what's actually going to be out there.
Well, you're going to have your late model performance stuff like your Camaros, your 4th gen stuff. You'll also see a lot of pro touring vehicles that have had LS engines swapped into them after the fact. So 1st through 3rd gen F bodies are popular. We see a lot of C10 trucks, and then we see a lot of oddball stuff too. So anything that you can fit an LS engine to or current generation LT engine into is welcome at the event.
Nice. Now what about this big jump thing you guys got going on out there?
Oh man, we're going to be doing it's called the Desert Launch, and we're going to be showing everybody what it's like to send long travel trophy truck style vehicles over a big jump. Send them like almost 100 feet through the air.
Just send it, huh?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, well let's talk about the engine, since I know some guys out there are asking, LS Fest, what's up with the LS? Let's give a brief history and what Holley brings to the table with the LS platform.
Well, the LS engine started in 1997, Gannon, with the release of the C5 Corvette, and since then, that's been GM's moneymaker as far as engines are concerned. Very popular. They put them in almost everything: trucks, cars, vans, and they've become very plentiful. So, by way of that, they've become very affordable for a lot of people. You can get them in junkyards for next to nothing, and they're compact, and they respond well to power modifications. And so companies like Holley and all the different brands that we have, MSD, Excel, Hooker, we make a lot of parts that make these engines swap into popular vehicles all the time. So we've got swap kits for A-bodies, Chevelles, Malibus.
You name it, you guys pretty much got it.
Yeah, absolutely, and we're working on more stuff all the time. So this event is a great way for us to come out to a location and showcase just what we're working on for those that like the LS engine.
Well, there you have it, guys. If you're a gearhead on the West Coast, LS Fest West is a must-see. You got to see it, and it's going to be in Las Vegas at Las Vegas Motor Speedway, May 4th, 5th, and 6th. You got to check it out. And as far as finding out some information, Blaine, where can they go?
For more information, to register online and find out hotel information, you can go to lsfest.com.
There you go, guys. See you there. Don't believe a 1984 Honda CRX can beat out a Ferrari California or a 2011 Pontiac minivan leaving a Porsche GT3 in the dust? Well, these guys disagree. Netflix is releasing a new series called Fastest Car. In each hour-long episode, 3 souped-up modded sleeper cars go head-to-head with one of the world's most sought-after supercars. Check out the premiere April 6th on Netflix, but for now, we have the official trailer that was just released.
The adrenaline rush history racing is insane.
Every car has its own unique feeling.
But money doesn't always win.
Oh my God. The last man standing will have the fastest car.
I mean, I don't want pieces of your car flying on me.
Let the talking begin.
A sleeper car is
It's a car that you look at saying that can't be that fast.
I assembled this car in 3 days in my grandfather's garage.
Full speed ahead. They bleed red.
Every supercar demands your attention.
I would be humiliated if I get my doors blown by a station wagon, ice cream truck, or whatever the heck this supercar is.
The beast is back. The leash is cracked. Lion King better bow down. Hear my roaring surround sound.
We're all from different walks of life.
People will see that me being in a wheelchair doesn't really matter.
I was stuck in the streets gangbanging every day.
It's always fun to beat the boys.
My experience is none.
I looked it up on YouTube. Apparently I pushed this.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
My whole life I've been the underdog.
I'm repping Detroit. What the f you want to do about it?
Oh my God!
May the best man or woman win.
General Motors Vice President of Global Propulsion Systems said premium gas should be the new standard in the future in order to have more efficient engines. The idea has been around for quite a long time, but it's kind of interesting coming from GM since they have 20 zero-emission cars planned for the future. And, well, it's kind of odd because they're also talking with the Trump administration on fuel economy standard changes. So you have that. While fuel retailers have always said changing from regular gas to premium could improve fuel economy, that's only true for engines that are actually made for it. Forbes reported that for the beginning of March, premium gas was 52 cents more expensive than regular. So the question is, will it be more beneficial for consumers? If you don't believe in karma, check this out. You may afterwards. ABC Local 10 released footage of an Infiniti QX70 driver in Miami that crashed into a bunch of cars, but they didn't want to stick around. The driver tried to run, but a group of angry citizens said, "Aw, heck no. We're gonna track him down," and that's what they did. When the driver didn't get out of his car, they decided to take actions into their own hands. One guy was a little upset. He decided to use a sledgehammer. Luckily, no one was injured, and apparently the only injury was the QX70 and some other cars, because that QX70 took a beating, especially by the guy with the sledgehammer. For more information, check out our website. What would you do in this situation? Would you use a sledgehammer, or would you use like a screwdriver or something else? If you own a Hyundai, Subaru, Kia, or any other Asian car brand model 1999 or newer, Chevy is ready to hook you up with a deal. The automaker is giving out a $2,500 incentive towards any base model car or truck, and you can also use it with other discounts. You don't even have to trade in your qualified vehicle to get it, and this is all according to The Drive. This is Chevrolet's way of lowering prices to compete with the Japanese and Korean market. The good news is it can get you in a car for under 12 grand. What do you think about that? Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. Be sure to stop by our website at PowerNationTV.com. Let us know what you want to see and get connected on social media. We're everywhere. Have a good rest of your day. We'll see you guys down the road.